Welcome to our partner training on optimizing employee performance. This is a 10-minute segment on management best practices for supporting employee success and minimizing the liabilities associated with underperforming employees. The agenda for this training is to review performance management objectives from the organizational perspective. We'll review the behaviors of successful managers. These are time-tested techniques proven to motivate and support employee success. We'll provide an overview of EG Force performance management tools and how they connect to the employee profile. This is only an introduction to these tools. We'll tackle each tool separately in its own training module. We'll review best practices for getting started as a new manager and how these tools can help you get organized and up to speed quickly. Let's review our objectives with performance management. Protecting employee morale is key to productivity and customer satisfaction. Low morale is directly related to increased labor claims, such as wage and hour, discrimination, and workers' compensation, just to name a few. Successful businesses know how to get the most out of their employees, and that leads to improved morale, higher quality and quantity of work, and increased profits. Minimize employee turnover. According to a study done by the Society of Human Resource Management, employers will spend approximately two-thirds of an employee's annual salary to find and train their replacement. Minimize unemployment expense. Tax rates are based on your company's size and turnover. When an employee loses their job through no fault of their own, they qualify for benefits, which costs the employer. Good documentation ensures that only employees meeting that criteria get benefits. One claim can have a $14,000 impact on the company's tax reserve. Increase profitability. When companies are profitable, employee growth opportunities increase, and so does employee morale. When employee morale increases, employer liability goes down. Let's review the behaviors of a successful manager. Good managers get work done through others. This is the true definition of being a manager. Define expectations. When employee expectations are clearly defined, they're properly trained, their manager regularly follows through to monitor their performance and provide feedback, the employee is being given every opportunity to be successful. This is called inspecting what you expect. Share in the ownership of an employee's failure. Managers who do this and help the employee succeed get more from their employees. Give credit to the employees when they're successful. Employees are far more receptive to coaching when they're regularly recognized for their achievements. Document efforts to prove it happened. This supports follow through and helps the manager to know when an employee is not a good fit and act quickly. The longer it takes to terminate an underperformer, the more expensive it is. Damaged products, equipment, morale, and customer experience can add up quick. Now let's take a look at the performance management tools in EG Force. We'll start with the foundation of performance management, Elements. Much like a diary, Elements provides a quick and easy way for managers to document the elements of an employee's performance as incidents or recordable moments occur, good or bad. These details are connected to the employee's profile for easy reference, producing dashboards that summarize their overall performance. Elements are most often used to send accolades and appreciations, documenting employees' good performance and increasing motivation. Job standards define success by position, essential duty, or universally. This is what managers compare an employee's actual performance to when using our performance management tools. Job standards can be compared to the line item on your performance evaluation form. They can be connected to an employee record or position, and this connection allows the manager to proactively provide feedback using a tool called Mentor Memos. Mentor Memos is a tool you use to proactively document feedback to the employee on achievements, opportunities, and goals as they relate to a specific job standard. It also provides performance status that will identify trends. When used regularly, the annual performance evaluation becomes a piece of cake. The mentor memo has a scheduling feature as well that will send the manager a reminder when it's time to do the next review. It also allows the manager to send feedback directly to the employee via email after they've completed the in-person feedback session. Performance improvements or performance improvement plan. The goal of the performance improvement plan is to give an employee every opportunity to succeed and document the effort with the employee's signature. This tool allows you to initiate a service request with the employer's guardian for professional HR support on its development. One of the challenges new managers face is the handoff of underperforming employees. Too often, new managers apply a fresh start approach, then see the deficiency for themselves and move to a final warning or even termination. This is passive aggressive and loaded with litigation risk. Schedule time with the departing manager if possible. The goal is to address any special support needs to help employees. Determine which employees are in the bottom 20% of performers from their perspective. Find out what the departing manager recommends as the next steps. Schedule your one on ones. Before each one on one, review the elements, mentor memos, and performance improvement plans to determine the next steps for support or discipline where applicable. Create a new coaching and counseling element in EG Force. This is where you'll document your support efforts with your new employee relationships. Remembering and mastering all the information in these trainings takes time and practice. Our knowledge base has a wealth of information, including best practices and processes for employee performance management. When in doubt, you can contact Employer's Guardian or refer to the appropriate article for more information. Thank you for your participation. For assistance with this process, please contact HROD at employersguardian.com or give us a call.